Hi everyone, in front of me is NOKIA G10 and let me share with you how to enable the demo mode on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on Advanced and under it we've got the developer options, so let's tap on it. If you cannot find the developer options in your device, no worries, we've got the tutorial of how to enable them, how to activate them, so just check it and let's go back to this video. So after entering the developer options, all we have to do is to simply scroll down to the System UI demo mode. Let's tap on it and as you can see we've got two different options. So first of all, we can enable the demo mode just by tapping on this switcher, and actually nothing happened, nothing changed because we have to show the demo mode. So just tap on the switcher here and we've got the changes on the status bar, so all the icons are full in a full state and so on and so on. So this is how to enable and show the demo mode. Of course you can keep it turned on without showing it, you can hide it just by tapping on this switcher and as you can see everything got back to its normal state, and you can turn it off completely just by tapping on the switcher. So actually this is it, this is how to enable the demo mode in your NOKIA G10. Thank you so much for watching, I hope that this video was helpful and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.